Alrighty guys, so we got the Chevy Silverado all done. Everything is nice and mounted as it should be. Took me about a good 3 hours to install these. Ran all the wiring nice and clean. I did have to extend one of the wires. It was not long enough. If you guys get this kit, I recommend getting an extension, okay? But besides that, they're pretty bright. I really like them. Now the front ones were a little bit more difficult to install, because I think those took me a little bit longer than the rears. But they look really good. Let's see how they look with the lights out. They're pretty bright as well, so. All we need to do next on this thing is do an amber delete. So, there it is, guys. This is the brand that we used. If you guys would like to get something installed, wheel lights, rock lights, cab lights, LED lights, any type of lighting, make sure to contact me here at D's Garage. I got plenty of experience to do any type of lighting. You guys let me know. Peace.